What do we got?
We got a lot of stuff to clean up. First day of breaking ground, 50 degrees out. Can't ask for a better day. Gonna start up here. Got a cool foundation. It's probably from the 1800s. Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
I think the whole building fell down.
Probably did. This whole thing up here is might be concrete.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do with it?
I don't know. Get an old farm truck, you know, pretty one.
I think that's a good idea. I thought this was pretty cool. The old well cap.
Yeah. Found some kind of like compressor looking thing and then a pulley.
Yeah, old gantry kind of deal. Some electrical boxes.
So that big pile of junk that was here, I put all the garbage there. It'll work out good. It's on concrete, so I'll be able to clean that easy. Then I put a rough little road, we'll call it, in through here right up to my pile of metal. We're gonna get the grading bucket on, finish up the foundation area. Alright, here is the view from the top of the foundation. Got my garbage and wood. I also got over here done. Got even more concrete, kind of roughly cut a grade on that so you can back up here. That's done. You can back a truck in. My truck used to get stuck every time right about there, so fix that and then back the trailer in, get that picked up. the shop before the tire goes flat. Scrapyard, got 130 bucks, something gravel money. So we got a lot of gravel to buy. So yeah, that's done. Now gotta get rid of junk tires, and we will be in good shape for the snow. Tires are gone, foundation looking pretty good. Now we're on the top of the foundation. I didn't know this, but it's way bigger than I thought. Where there's all that tangled crap up there, that's actually a whole nother roof, so I gotta clean all that out. So I'm gonna call it here for now on the foundation. Up here, I grubbed everything off, got all the garbage off this tier. I still have more garbage to pick up, but the majority of it's gone. We're actually gonna be getting between 12 and 18 inches of snow, so not really gonna be able to work on this for a while, so I'm gonna do it in two parts. Second part, it'll be seeing if we have concrete under here, and doing the final cleanup of the remaining garbage and getting a roll-off can here and getting all this out of here, and then trying to see if we can clean the concrete up a little more. Yeah, really happy how everything's turning out. It's nice, you can actually see, no more brush, and soon no more garbage here.